In this video, we'll demonstrate how to download Facebook videos. But before we dive in, I invite you to hit that like button if you're excited to learn this, and share your thoughts in the comments below. Your feedback helps us create better content for you. Whether you want to save your own videos or videos from someone else's profile, it's important to note that downloading videos that aren't yours might infringe on copyright, so please ensure you're using them legally and responsibly. So, let's get started by opening up Facebook. To download videos from someone else's profile or a public video, return to the main screen by tapping the watch button at the bottom center. Locate the specific video you want to download, tap on it, and then tap the three dots icon in the bottom right corner. Select Copy Link to copy the video's URL. Please note that you must copy the link for the video itself, not the link to the post containing the video. Now, let's move on to the actual downloading process. Exit Facebook and open a web browser. Navigate to the website fdown.net and click Go. On the fdown.net website, you'll find a field where you can paste the URL you copied from Facebook. After pasting the URL, click Download. The website will fetch the specific video you want to download. You'll have the option to download it in either normal quality or HD quality, depending on your preference. Please be aware that you might encounter some ads on this site, which you can close. Once the video is ready for download, you'll see a download button. Click it to start the download process. The video will be saved to your device, and you can find it in your Downloads folder, usually in your web browser or file manager app. Remember that downloading videos from Facebook, especially those created by someone else, may infringe on copyright. Use the downloaded content responsibly and in compliance with copyright laws. If you found this video helpful, please take a moment to like, comment, and subscribe with notifications. Your likes and comments inspire us to create more content like this, and subscribing ensures you won't miss our future tutorials. You can find more tutorials and resources at our website, MediaMagnetGuide.com. Stay tuned for more exciting tutorials and tips coming your way.